No. 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 1. 1. 1. It's Olivia Rodrigo. My arch nemesis. I actually can't believe that Rick Price and Debbie Gibson follows her on Instagram. If Zelda Nerd sees her, he's going to lose it. Come on. Just ask something. You vampire eater. Come on. Just fall over like you did. Why not you shake your ass in front of me, bro? I'm thinking about her shaking it way better than Job Chase. Believe it or not. Damn it, Olivia Rodrigo, you make the white stuff come out of my pants so dirty thanks to you. I told you. I do not have the crush on Nick Simone. I know I already said this. I love boys. But not Nick Simone. It's not like Nick Simone is wearing a short skirt, so I can see his underwear. Or bike shorts or whatever the hell you want to call it. In fact, just thinking about it makes me feel like having an anal ejaculation. I do not have the crush on Nick Simone. Thank you very much. Brad doesn't even wear skirts. Nick Simone just loves to be attractive. Either being as a heartthrob dressing as a male, or cute dressing as a female. Now, what are we going to do in the meantime? Look for my old pants in the washing machine. Well, speaking of Olivia, the 1995 ESS person, let's look up her photos. Well, there's no way I'll be using that. Come on. Home and away. There's Lynn McGringer there. With Matt Evans.
I was made for loving you, baby. You were made for loving me.
Oh, a free laptop. Let's jump in. Time to have a look at the 1995 ESS person photos. What do you appear? Care Bears charms that you can put on your Crocs. They actually said the F word in the Care Bears tummies. And the next photo. Oh, my pee-pee her ass. And